Hello. So today we'll be discussing the role of Sertoli cell, how Sertoli cell nurse germ cell that we will be discussing today. So if you see this, here I have shown the testes along with seminiferous tubule. So if I take the cut section, that yellow quadrangular, and from there I have taken the cut section. So there you can see a tubule. So in this tubule, a single tubule, there will be this red color one are Sertoli cell. So here I have shown Sertoli cell only. Then in the Sertoli cell, so this is the nucleus of all this Sertoli cell. So if you see this Sertoli cell is extending from base to lumen. If you see that colorful arrow, and along with that, we see there are various cells are there, and along with that some tight junctions are also there. So this is in general Sertoli cell how it looks like. So now how this Sertoli cell play the role. Now see here again I have drawn this testis, not testis, seminiferous tubule with Sertoli cell. Now here I have drawn some cells in between. Now I will be taking a magnified view of this. So here I have shown one Sertoli cell and other Sertoli cell. So here I have shown two Sertoli cell, and if you see two Sertoli cell carefully, they are in contact with each other. This is the nucleus of Sertoli cell. Now here see in multicolored I have drawn various cells. So these are nothing but the various cells in the stages of spermatogenesis starting from spermatogonia to in the end it is spermatozoa. Now see spermatogonia is located near the base. Now see here what Sertoli cell is doing. Sertoli cell, see that what are coming, these are tight junctions. So Sertoli cells are forming a tight junction. So how does it help? It helps in blood testis barrier. So it protects germ cell by maintaining the composition. Not only that, I have just shown you that that Sertoli cell is helping in various germ cells. So when germ cells has to go to various stages, for example, spermatogonium, it has to go to primary spermatocyte. So in this case, this barrier, that tight junction will undergo dissolution and then it will proceed to next stage. In addition, it also is preventing antigenic stimulus. So Sertoli cell take care, it forms blood testis barrier and it covers germ cells and it is preventing them from external stimuli. So thus Sertoli cell are helping in nursing or to take care of germ cell. So this was major function of Sertoli cell. So in addition, it is having also some endocrine function which is not today's topic of discussion. So I hope the role of Sertoli cell as nursing of taking care of germ cell is clear. Thank you.